Would you like 24/7 access to free magazines and newspapers? Well, Blacktown City Libraries has the perfect resource for you. PressReader is an electronic magazine and newspaper service, allowing you to browse thousands of titles for free. This video will show you how to use PressReader on your computer, so let's get started. To begin, visit our website at blacktown.nsw.gov.au/libraries. Once the library homepage has loaded, scroll down and select the eLibrary tab. This will bring you a list of all our eLibrary platforms. Scroll down and select the PressReader logo. On this homepage, you can immediately browse the collection. To sign in, click the Sign In button in the top right-hand corner. Select the library and group icon, then search for Blacktown City Council Libraries. Then enter your library card number and PIN. You will also need to create an account using your name and email that links to your library card details. Once you have signed in, you can search the collection using the search bar at the top, or browse the categories on the left-hand side. Once you have found the magazine or newspaper you want, click on it. Once loaded, click on the Read button. This will allow you to read the magazine or newspaper immediately within your browser. You will need a reliable internet connection for this. And that's it! Welcome to PressReader. Feel free to contact library staff, online, over the phone, or in person with any questions you may have.